Hey there, Agile enthusiasts! Welcome back to Code Hive Tutorials. Today we're delving into the backbone of Scrum, its artifacts. In this video, we'll uncover the significance of Scrum artifacts in driving project success. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to elevate your Agile game. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly are Scrum artifacts? Think of them as the tangible records that provide transparency and crucial information throughout the Scrum process. We've got the product backlog, sprint backlog, and the increment. Each plays a pivotal role in ensuring everyone is on the same page. First up is the product backlog. This is your dynamic to-do list, constantly evolving as priorities shift. The product backlog captures all the features, enhancements, and bug fixes needed for your project. It's a collaborative effort between the product owner and the development team, setting the roadmap for the product's future. Now, let's talk about the sprint backlog. This artifact is all about the current sprint. It's derived from the product backlog and outlines the tasks and user stories the team commits to completing during the sprint. The sprint backlog is a living document that evolves as the team progresses, ensuring a clear focus on sprint goals. The increment is the tangible result of the completed sprint, a potentially shippable product. It's the sum of all the product backlog items completed during the sprint, providing a clear measure of progress. The increment is a snapshot of the project's current state, showcasing the value added in each iteration. Now that we've explored each artifact, let's discuss how to maximize their impact. Regular refinement sessions, clear acceptance criteria, and fostering open communication are essential. By ensuring these artifacts are well maintained, your team gains a shared understanding of the project's direction. And there you have it, the power of Scrum artifacts in driving Agile success. Incorporating these elements into your Scrum framework not only enhances transparency, but also empowers your team to deliver value consistently. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to share it with your Agile community and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep refining those backlogs, navigating those sprints, and building remarkable increments. Happy Scrumming!